Good morning everyone
I am Kita Nampi.
I am นภัสสร สาธร
Is the new form new in level com is what on 46 70 75 7 o'clock.
Report by นิติตา at นภัสสร
Engineer fault. Heavy rain in Nigeria kill more than 150 people and destroy the market town of Mokwa. The flooding started after strong rain and washed away homes and beaches. Over 5,000 people now have no home. The army and emergency team are trying to help, but many people say they don't have enough food or shelter. Some people are still looking for family members who got lost in the flood. The government is sending help, but people need more. People are afraid of disease and need water, food, and shelter.
The rainy season is normal West Africa, but scientists climate change is making the rain much worse. They say that extreme weather will be more common in the future.
This video is for educational purposes only.
Thank you for watching